In front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Personalization. Then you need to click on Icons and operate this slider under Icon Size to adjust them. You can check out Preview at the top. When you're ready, just go back and your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!